Hi guys, for today's video, nandito tayo sa Shopee app. Turuan ko kayo paano maging Shopee VIP. Wow, taray VIP. Pag naging VIP kayo guys, ang benefits nyo is daily free shipping, 20% off daily, extra 20% off monthly. Yung pay later mo is 0% interest for 3 months, and then may Monday exclusives. May bonus daw sa Marybank sign up and access to ChatGPT Go. Try for 1 month. Free lang yan siya guys sa 1 month. Pero, naano ko dito, authorize Shopee VIP. May ano pala siya guys, may bayad. And then, pag pindot ko ng confirm, ito na nakalagay, Shopee VIP, you are now VIP member. Get daily 20% off and pay later 0% interest for 3 months. Click mo yung view details guys. Ito yung lalabas. Shopee VIP, yung free shipping discount mo na 300 off, 20% off. Yan na, maka-access ka na sa chat GPT Go. And then, meron siyang nakalagay dito guys, auto-renew 1 month. Tapos 99. Next payment is 99 on February 6, 2026. Kinancel ko yan siya guys. Hindi ko siya ginaw kasi pag mag-auto renew siya every month, kaya kinancel ko yung